Hello, and welcome to a program all about negotiation skills. My name is John Trimbos. I'm a solicitor by background. I practiced as a planning and environmental lawyer for about 10 years or so till I got the bug for training, and I changed careers and do this kind of thing for a living now. But in all my time as a solicitor, I did a lot of negotiating on behalf of clients. So property documents, in my case, planning gain documents with local authorities and so on. I'm guessing that the audience for this program is going to be quite a mixed set of people in different practice areas. Some of you may well be negotiating transactions. Some of you may well be in the world of disputes resolution, in which case you're doing settlement negotiations. But it applies to all of those formats and applies outside of work as well. So if you're negotiating for yourself, so if you're negotiating to buy or rent a property, buy a car, pay rise, bargaining with your own family about where you're going to go for dinner or to which film to see at the cinema, you will find something in this program for you. It's a very versatile set of skills. And I'm sure you know all about negotiation generally, but it's a good idea just to give a bit of structure to the way that we negotiate. So to start us off, well, what is negotiation? What I'd like you to do is to imagine you're part of a team that is compiling a new English language dictionary, and the publishers have tasked you with the job of creating a dictionary definition of negotiation. So how would you define negotiation? But you're not allowed to use the word negotiate. Ha! You're going to use that word. No, you're not allowed to use the word negotiate. So just ponder and reflect for a minute or so. If you have a notepad or a post-it note lying by you, you could even write it out